Welcome back to the Big LT. Today I am going to be talking about tornado sirens. Um, I got 4 tornado siren videos posted on my channel. And if anybody's wondering, I only made this video to answer a question. So if anybody who's wondering why I never made a tornado siren video of a siren that's actually going off, well, the first 3 tornado siren videos I made on my channel, they're in different towns, and they're in different towns and stuff. 2 different towns, since 2 of the others were in the same little town. In the Thunderbolt video, the 1003, that was in a little town near Rolla, somewhere around here. So I do have a mix of Thunderbolts and Thunderbolt 1000Ts and some 2001s 130s. They're all over my city. And we have one misfit. It's I don't remember what model that's called, but it's an air raid siren and stuff. So the reason why I can't make a video, of those sirens going off is because I have to go to school. And we always test tornado sirens down here on the first Wednesday of every month. I think everybody else should do that as well, if so. But down here they do it at 10 a.m. So, and I'm at school during 10 a.m. And so yeah, I can't just walk out of the school building and record the nearest tornado siren, which we do have one close to my high school. So yeah, that's the reason why I never made a tornado siren video of a siren going off. So that's the big question. It's just been answered. So that's all for the tornado talk, and I got a secret to tell you. We got something big coming to the channel. Yep, it's going to be a surprise. You'll love it. Some of you will. I don't think it'll be that popular, but I'm getting it soon. Hopefully, you guys enjoy that video once it gets posted. I'll see you guys later. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Just peace out. I'm going to bed. It's late. I gotta go to school tomorrow, so I'll cut this short and bye.